Have you ever added music to your Instagram post and then wanted to change or delete it? In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change or delete music on your Instagram post. So let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick note. Instagram currently doesn't allow you to edit the music on a post directly after it's been posted. However, I'll show you a workaround that involves deleting the post and re-uploading it with the changes you want. So make sure you have the original content saved. First, make sure you have a copy of your original post saved on your phone. If you don't have, go to your post, tap on the three dots and select Save to your camera roll or Save photo. Next, you need to delete the original post. To do this, go to your profile, find the post with the music you want to change or delete it. Simply click on it and tap on the three dots and select Delete and confirm the deletion. After that, your original post is deleted. Let's re-upload it with the new music. Open Instagram, tap on the plus icon to create a new post. Select the photo or video from your camera roll that you saved earlier. Now, after that, click on next again and click on add music. Now here you can search for the song you want to keep and select the part of the song you want to include and tap on. Once you're happy with your music choice, finalize any other details like caption, tags and location, then share it. And that's it. You've successfully changed the music on your Instagram by re-uploading it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.